Hello and welcome back. In this video, this series even, I'll be showing you how to make a 2D Pong game using the Unity engine. And this video is just going to be about setting up all the scenes and all the folders that we'll need. And yeah, so what you want to do, I've already done this, but I'll just show you how to. Go into File, New Project, and this wizard should load up. So what you want to do is go into Create New Project, go into Browse, and then find your location. You want to, the name of the folder will be the name of the project. You can change this, but it doesn't particularly matter. And yeah, so you want to save it to a point where you can easily find it. I've already done this, so I don't need to do it again. The main thing you need to do is to change setup defaults from 3D to 2D. And then you want to scroll down on these. Yours will probably be the first one, but I've downloaded so much different things. And all you want to do is to click this checkbox here for on standard assets mobile with the Unity package. This is so that it imports these different files, and that's all you need to do. And then just go and hit create. I've already done this here, so I don't need to do it again. And now with these standard assets you get all these different things. We don't need this folder, so we're just going to delete that. We need the materials. We do not need the prefabs folder. We do not need the scripts folder. We'll be writing all the scripts ourselves. Yep, keep the shaders and delete everything inside the text folder apart from the grid. So we'll be using this grid as like a background effect. So that's what you want to do for this. Make sure you are regularly saving. So what you want to do is just create loads of folders. So sorry if I'm going too fast. So in this, I've got it on my own layout up here. You can just grab these and just drag them about and change them to what you want. But this is the one I prefer. And yeah, so which create loads of folders. So we're gonna right click in the project, not the hierarchy, because if you right click it will not work. Hierarchy is for objects already in the scene, and the project is for where basically everything inside the assets folder. So this will be things that you can use to drag and drop into your scenes and everything like that. Whereas store things like scripts and textures and whatnot. So you want to right click here, go on create a folder. We're gonna create a few. So the first one is scripts, and then you keep doing this. So the first one is scripts, and then scenes, prefabs. Probably be added into these later, because I'm bound to forget something. Animations. We might not use animations, but we're just gonna keep there anyway. Textures. Materials, scenes, scripts, prefabs. Should be it. Oh no, sorry. We'll do that another time. Right, okay. This is all you're gonna need. So this is where we're gonna put our scripts. These are where we save our scenes. So we're gonna put our first scene in here. We'll do go file and save scene. It should open up the where your project is inside your assets folder. And then here's all our folders that we've just created. So you want to go into scenes. And then this is just going to be called game. You can call it game scene. You can call it whatever you want. Or level 1, scene 1, room 1, whatever. But we're just going to have one game, and we will be doing a main menu at the end. So yeah, just call it scene game, sorry, inside the scenes folder, and then here it is. We will. Okay, I'll show you this. Go into File, then Build Settings, and this will come up. What you want to do is click Add Current. You don't even have to do this. Don't even have to click Add Current. You can just drag and drop them from the project folder. Yeah, you know, if you forget it, you just drag and drop them all in there. The order does matter. So the first one, which is the ID index of 0, is the first thing that loads up when the game basically gets run. So 0, you're going to always want like a main menu or something like that. Yeah, so at the moment it's just game because we haven't created a main menu scene. And this platform, we are going to be creating it for PC. But later on I might show you how to change it for an Android. And yeah, we will be using web player to test it. Don't need anything else, just select your target platforms and all this. Usually the default is what you want, unless you're on Mac, just change it to Mac, and same with Linux. Yeah, and then with Android it does change all this, but you know, we're just going to be keeping it at 16:9. Make sure it's not on free aspect. Free aspect is, I think, is the default, but you want to change it to 16:9. Or if you're on doing Android, you want it on 3:2 or 2:3. But yeah, so if you're creating like an Android game, you would actually want these. Want your game to fit inside all these, so choosing the smallest one possible for your target platform is what you want, but 16:9 is good and is what we need. Yeah, it does actually shrink it down, but we'll just be leaving out of this. So yeah, that's all you want to do for this first tutorial, and please check out the next tutorial on where we'll be creating the scene and all the objects in there, and then we'll follow one of those tutorials with adding particle effects and all these like graphical things, and added all the scripts to it and given the game better functionality. So anyway, thanks for watching, and make sure to comment and subscribe.